guys, like Lucas here back with another video. Today we are playing a game of Castle Windward again. This time with
Hello.
So yeah, let's get straight into it. We're gonna start with World 1 because
And I am going to do my intro now. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing Gaza Liquid like Lucas.
yeah,
Hello.
Let's get started. World 1. Let's go.
You're kind of used to the controls, so I would imagine you're better at the game.
I know what's coming as well. Do you guys know? Do you guys on my channel know what's coming?
Wait, what did you say? Your mic's kind of glitching. Also, this cat doesn't really look like a cat. It looks like a fat dog.
That's offensive.
Kind of looks like a fat dog mixed with water, mixed with a smudge of cat.
Yeah, because
this game is definitely weird.
Yeah, it is kind of a random game.
I don't know, I guess the creators that made it were bored.
I've only got 2 lives. I'm on level 2. What level are you on?
Level 1, I can't get the hang of it. Because you've played it before, remember?
True.
I've never played it before.
Sometimes the jump button is delayed though.
I think I'm on level 2 now.
Yeah, is it kind of like bluish?
Yeah, it's blue and there's orange spikes.
Yeah. I've only got 1 life left. You have to go on level 3.
I've got 3 lives.
Ow. No!
This game's kind of relaxing.
To be honest, I can agree with that sometimes.
Ah, no! I just lost a life.
My cat died.
I lost a life. Do you restart everything when you die, or just that level?
Restart the level.
Oh, I died. I'm kind of getting bad at this now. The more I play, the worse I get now.
No, better. I'm on level
2 and I only have 1 heart left. Like 1 heart.
Okay, let's go. Oh no! Oh, I'm on 1! No! That was easy.
This game is like a relaxing rage game.
I'm speedrunning. I'm speedrunning.
So, I've got the hang of the controls now, so I'm speedrunning.
By the way, when you hold down the button, you go dead back. Check.
I had to kill myself, I was stuck in spikes. It's kind of like a relaxing rage game.
I'm trying to sweet.
I know everybody's thinking like, how the heck can you have a relaxing rage game? I don't know, but this feels like a rage game, but it's relaxing.
Yeah. Hit the light.
I just don't like the noises when the cat takes damage. It makes me feel sad because it sounds like a real cat.
Ah! I thought a rocket came down now.
Ah! I have 1 heart left.
How many friends have you found?
0.
Oh, well, I'm really ahead of you then.
I'm only on level 3.
I'm speedrun. Achievement unlocked. Warm up. Why did I get the achievement warm up? I should have got that ages ago.
When it goes a liquid, it's not like really a liquid, it's like a slime.
Yeah. But
And you're also kind of sticky.
that sounds.
I know it sounds wrong, by the way.
There we go. Next level, please.
I'm literally just speeding now.
Hello.
I have 1 heart left because I just died again. The video is already 5 minutes long.
For me, it's 6 minutes. I'm ahead of
It's the bit with the spinning blocks and all the spikes that I keep dying on.
Oh, I'm far past that. What? Okay, I won't spoil it. But something just happened.
Imagine if you died, you went to the very first level.
Something just happened. I won't spoil it, but it is pretty far into the levels.
Yeah, I'll probably forget it if you tell me now.
Ah, I died. What just happened? Your vegetable.
Oh, come on. Stupid. Why am I raging at a game that seems so relaxing?
Because you are a rage quitter.
That's half true.
My cat is crying, I think.
I'm getting used to the controls now.
Whoa, something just happened.
What?
Nothing.
I have all my lives now.
Sorry guys, just an ad. So what was it? Definitely wasn't like Raid Shadow Legends or something. Or Clash of Clans. Yeah. I got a new superpower.
Have you got like a sponsor or something?
I am now a Trump. I am now a fart.
That's cool, they have checkpoints.
You were only just discovered checkpoints.
No, I only just realized they were checkpoints.
By the way, nothing. I don't know what I literally just forgot.
I'm not surprised that you're way ahead of me. You've played like 100 times more. Okay, maybe not 100. You've played once more than me.
I'm just doing the dream speedrun.
Why don't we do like the next video we do together? Why don't we do a speedrun or something?
Of doors. guys.
Speedrun of doors.
I speedrun doors.
I speedrun doors and I got to level 1 billion in 2 seconds.
100.
Imagine if doors ended up being like Imagine if those ended up having like 50
You're not playing
games.
doors. You do not have to think
Like
about
door 1. Like there would be regular doors that we have now, then doors
No.
2. There's another game after that, and then
No.
doors 3, then doors 4, then doors 5.
We're not.
Yeah.
If they
Imagine
play
that.
doors right now, we're not. No, we're playing Cats Are Liquid. So why do you talk about?
I don't know. It's because before we played this, we were playing doors, and my mind is full of doors.
How can such a big door fit inside your tiny brain? Not tiny, but human-sized brain. A door is big compared to your brain. A door is about 2 times as big than me. How can it fit in there?
What level are you on?
I don't know. I lost track.
Same.
I'm on this.
I'm on level. I think I'm on level 4.
I think I'm on level like. I think I'm on the next stage thing, like on the next world.
Are we gonna do like a full gameplay?
Well, I don't know.
Maybe.
My fans already know what's happened. Ah, no.
My sticky liquidness isn't working.
No.
No. Oh, come on.
Edward, I'm just gonna go on mute for a sec. Be right back. So, Edward.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. I'm just going on mute.
I'm gonna say something private to your YouTube channel.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, guys, basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to all where we where like the it's where we started off last time. Why am I whispering? Okay, we're back. We're back in the game. Yeah. Okay, I am on. Oh. No.
This game is big blue balls, and I know that sounds wrong.
What?
Those big stupid balls. Yeah, that sounds wrong, I know. I'm not stupid. I just skipped most of the level by using the wall thing. Why does my cat kind of look like a pumpkin?
It was soon Halloween. I'm good.
I didn't even hear what you said. All I heard was glitchiness. How are you meant to pass this?
I've got past it, so it's possible. No, but
You get past. That's my question, because you can't make this jump. literally, you can't make it.
Everything is possible.
Not everything, you can't fly.
That's possible. I've seen people fly.
You can't flap your wings and fly, man.
I mean, I know this.
Because you don't have...
I know this.
1, because you don't have wings. 2, you don't have enough strength. And 3, you're too heavy.
I know this guy who can make some things.
Oh, God.
Why don't you?
Hmm?
Why do you not know a guy who has wings? No,
What has what now?
doesn't matter.
A gyro has wings.
Yeah,
What the heck is a gyro?
Everett.
What the heck is a gyro?
It's so common. You're being way too.
What the heck is a gyro?
Guys, sadly, I'm gonna have to end it here. We've been on for almost 20 minutes of this game, so yeah.
I've had 16 minutes.
Bye. And remember, hit that like button. I'm not even gonna stay before I put this phone. I'm not begging, but yeah, bye.